Melanie makes $8 an hour babysitting. So this is our ratio, $8 an hour. So it's comparing dollars to hours. You can write it as a fraction, dollars to hours. So it's 8 to 1. So if she works 2 hours, it'll be $16 to 2 hours. If she works 3 hours, it'll be $24 to 3 hours because it's times 3. So if we look at the first one, we needed 8 to 1. Over here on A, it's 8 to 1. However, if you notice this, they questioned, they want us to do hours and the money. So hours is here and the money is here. So this is not 8 hours to $1. So this is hours to money. 1 hour to 8 is correct. 2 to 16 is correct. And 4 to 32, we're going to multiply by 4. So 1 times 4 is 4, and 8 times 4 is 32. So B is correct. On C, 2 to 16, that's groups of 2, so it's times 2. 3 to 24, that's a group of 3. 4 to 32, it's a group of 4, so that one is also correct.